the experiment's down here. I'm stuck. Today's experiment is also easy, and it's fruit boats and vegetable boats. I'm making fruit boats today, and we're going to use these flags for the sails. Or you could use toothpicks and paper.
What do you need for the project?
Legs and fruits and vegetables. Ask a parent to help you cut the food. I'll be right back. Now we got everything cut and my dad helped me cut them. Then now we're going to put the fruits and vegetables in. Like this. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Okay, put the other ones. What country is that?
Philippines. That would fail, that's too wobbly.
Do you know which country that flag is?
Greece.
Greece. Greece will be on the potato. Okay, and the last flag you have is
UK goes on the onion. I'm crying. Which ones are you gonna think they're gonna float or sink? I think the carrot will sink.
What do you think the potato will do?
Float.
We're trying the onion first.
Yay! It floats. Let's try the orange next. Whoa! Potato. Ah!
Oh no. What happened to the potato?
It sank. Now let's do this one, apple. What?
The apple. Italy is the apple.
No, United States is... No.
Oh no.
The whole thing, no. Stay up. How about you, yeah. If you do this at home, tell me if you know which fruits or vegetables sink or float. Try all the. If you don't have all these fruits, you can try different things. Like recyclable things. Did you know that apples have little air pockets in them so it helps them float?
Do you know what that means? That means it makes it less dense.
Let's try an orange with no peel and see what happens. Oh. Let me fix that. No.
What's happening?
It sank. I think the orange with the peel makes it actually less dense because it has air pockets like the apple, and this one is more dense. Oranges float with the peel, but without the peel, it can't float. Try to cut your fruit in different ways and see what happens. Wash your hands for 20 minutes, then you can eat your leftover fruits and vegetables. Keep watching, have a healthy snack. Bye! Science with Solomon and Barry's done. Last week, you saw the Bouncy Egg, and some of you wanted to see what's inside, so I'm gonna cut it and see what's inside. Whoa! Egg yolk. Cut. Coron is an island in the Philippines.